Hey everybody, it's Oz from Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. This is a quick little bonus video because I'm going to do this today. I'm going to get together with family, so I have to bring something, so I'm going to bring an appetizer that's only known to the super classy, and all the mothers and grandmothers of the South know about it. I don't even know if anybody up north does this. Let me know if you do. And anybody overseas, I'm sorry. I don't know if y'all have little wieners. I can't believe I said that. But I'm pretty sure y'all got little wieners someplace. Little Smokies, they're pretty sausages things, man. We'll get into it in a minute. This is going to be great. It's going to be quick, fast, dirty, something great Southern American tradition, I think. Probably comes from up north and I'm just talking out of my ass. But whatever. We're always just going to claim it. Before we jump into it, be sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the YouTube-y stuff, ring the little bell. We get the notifications when we do these on Tuesdays and Fridays when it's not the holidays because I'm kind of running crazy. Also, we got merch. There's a link down the doobly-doo. We got aprons, spatulas, flippers, spoons, fake hands, pot holders, all kind of fun stuff. It's got our logo on it, and it really helps support us as a small business. Thank you very much. And let's just get into it. I have to eat little wieners. That was out loud. And on the internet. All right, so you know it's the Southern thing because we're going to use our crockpot unless you have a chafing dish. And you can serve it in that, but crockpot works for serving too. Chafing dish, whatever. So you're going to need some of these little smoky things, these little sausages. I don't know what they call them everywhere else, just these little wiener things. I use 2 packages of those and 1 bottle of barbecue sauce. Now I swear by Stubbs if you're someplace that you really need good barbecue sauce, but this one seems a little wasteful sometimes, so I try to get as cheap as possible. Go to the dollar store, grab my sweet brown sugar stuff, and you're also going to need toothpicks. This is your preferred serving utensil. You also want to get the one with the one hole that'll drive everybody nuts while they're waiting in the buffet line. Make it a little fancier. You're going to want a little bit of brown sugar, some garlic powder, onion powder, because it's us, that's the thing. And because it's Texas, a little bit of chili powder. Again, all that's optional. You just need the wieners and the barbecue sauce, really. So you're going to do that. We're going to throw this all together. It's going to fire and forget. So first things first, get your crock pot, and you're going to put both packages of your wieners in here. Now again, you can use this with bigger meetings. Just add more wieners. It's a sausage party. So just throw those in there. I had to get a knife to cut these open. Don't worry about draining or straining these. As my grandmother used to say, the wiener juice makes it all better. So just put it in there. Just dump them on top. Now, 1 bottle is going to cover about 2 of these packages, right? And then when they cook, there's going to be grease is going to be produced as it's cooking, so it'll fill it in, so don't worry about it. So try to get as much as you can out. Now, one of the tricks to this that I learned very early is all your barbecue sauce isn't going to come out at once. So the best thing to do is put the cap back on it, stand it on its head, let it sit, and then while you're cooking, you can add this in later. Doesn't have to be right now because it's only just a fraction of the barbecue sauce. Go ahead and add your onion powder. Again, it's clumped because Gulf Coast, and your garlic powder, and just a pinch. Just a pinch of the chili powder. Again, all those are to your thing. I forgot to season the spoon, so shout out to Jack. Sorry, bud. That's our merch spoon that we sell. It says season the spoon, mostly just because Jack loves it when you leave a spoon in something while you're seasoning it and it gets on the handle and not into the food. So cover this up. Now, be sure to put it on low if you've got a few hours before you're going to get there. When you're serving it, you want to put it on low. If you're going to eat it relatively quick or you want to do it fast, put it on high and leave it for about 15 minutes. After 20 minutes, go back and realize you didn't plug in your damn crock pot and plug it back in. So after about 15 minutes, when it's under power, you'll see that these are starting to plump. It's starting to get there. You got to play with it a little bit, and it'll fill out a little bit more. But a lot of them are still going to be weird, deformed. I know it's Christmas. It's a little cool outside. It happens to the best of us. But put a little more heat on it, stir it, get a little friction on it, and it'll start to plump up. After about 25 minutes or so, you're going to start seeing like the full sausage thing. Your house is going to smell like barbecue sauce and hot dog or wiener or sausage or whatever yours tastes like. This smells like sausage to me. So just go ahead and give them a nice stir. Again, after about 30 minutes, this is on high because I'm cooking them here fast. It starts bubbling around the edges, but you'll see they're all nice, round, plump. They filled out. They don't have that weird deformed look like they do straight out of the package. And it looks like a sausage that you want to just put in your face. Now, again, your toothpick, you can just serve them straight out of here if you don't mind people sticking their hands in it. But it's barbecue sauce. It's going to be a little drippy, especially because it's warm. But if you eat some of the barbecue sauce that doesn't end up on your shirt, it doesn't really count. But this is the way to do it. You can put it in a small plate, small bowls, walk away. If you're doing it for just one person, just 1 toothpick is fine. You can reuse it. That's less wasteful. But this is great. This is right out of our budget because the sausage things were like $2 or $3 a piece, and the barbecue sauce was like $1.50. So it's getting up there. But this works. This will be great for a handful of people, especially if we use it as an hors d'oeuvre. You can use it as a full meal, like I'm gonna. And if you're going to a party and need to bring something, this is perfect. And I'm gonna give you a hint. If you're trying to make friends with your friends' dogs, take this, because all the dogs will love you because they will eat a crap. No, just keep the toothpick. Just remember to keep the toothpick. And there you have it, folks. Little wieners, hordivores, or whatever they go. Ow. I'll eat that one on camera. That's just for my dad. He always tells me to try these on screen. Tastes like the South. A little backwards, but we're all right, I guess, is what I try to do. If you do it differently, you want to see us do it differently, let us know. Put it down in the comments. That's what they're there for. You can also find us on social media. Let us know on Facebook, Pinterest, Patreon. You can find us at all those at Live Between Paychecks Kitchen. You can also find us on Instagram at Live Between. You had to shorten it there a little bit. You can find me on TikTok or any of those social media sites under my name, Osway Nerdy. And but on TikTok, I've been putting out a couple of little videos and getting some recipes, putting out some recipes over there that are just exclusive to there. So let us know. And I'd revisit this. I'd try it. See, let me know if you do it overseas, if you do little wieners there or up north. I don't know if you Yankees do this kind of stuff, but let me know. And I'll see you out next time. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, whatever you're doing. Happy holidays and Happy New Year. So this works there too. Take it there. I'm going to go eat little wieners. That was horrible. I'm not... No.